Meet Raj. He wakes up at 6 a.m. every single day. He works 10-hour shifts. He skips vacations. He skips parties. He does everything right. And yet, at the end of every month, he has nothing left. Why? It's not because he's lazy. It's not because he's unlucky. It's because of something happening deep inside his brain. Here's what nobody tells you. Our brains are wired for survival, not for wealth. When you grow up around scarcity, around stress, unpaid bills, and we can't afford that, your brain records a simple rule. Money is dangerous, spend it before it disappears. Psychologists call this scarcity mindset, and it does three things silently. One, it makes you focus only on today. Not next year, not next decade, just today. Two, it kills decision making. Studies show that scarcity literally lowers your IQ by 13 points. That's like pulling an all-nighter before a big decision. Three, it makes every small problem feel like an emergency. So your brain is always in panic mode, never in planning mode. And here's where it gets worse. Raj gets a small bonus at work. What does his brain say? Spend it now, before something bad happens. So he buys a new phone, gets takeout every day, sends money to relatives, and the bonus is gone in 2 weeks. Meanwhile, his colleague Arjun, same salary, puts that bonus into a small index fund. Same money. Completely different decision. Not because Arjun is smarter, not because he works harder, but because Arjun's brain wasn't taught to fear money. It was taught to use it. This is the trap. Poor people aren't bad with money. They're scared of money, and fear makes you spend, not save. But here's the turn nobody talks about. The brain that learned scarcity can unlearn it. Raj started doing one small thing. Every time he got paid, before spending a single rupee, he moved just 500 rupees into a separate account. Not because 500 changed his life, but because it changed what his brain believed. I am someone who saves. That one identity shift, backed by research from Harvard, is more powerful than any budgeting app, because behavior follows belief. When Raj stopped seeing himself as someone who survives money and started seeing himself as someone who controls it, everything changed. Here's the real lesson. Poverty is not just a number in your bank account. It's a program running in your head. And most people never even know it's there. The rich don't just have more money. They have a different relationship with money. They delay gratification. They think in decades, not days. They see every rupee as a seed, not a reward. You can't out-earn a scarcity mindset. You could win the lottery tomorrow. And studies show 70% of lottery winners go broke within 5 years. Because the money changed, but the psychology didn't. So the next time you wonder why you're working so hard and still feel stuck, don't blame the economy. Don't blame your salary. Ask yourself, what does my brain actually believe about money? Because that answer is worth more than any paycheck. If this made you think, share it with someone who needs to hear it. And if you want to understand more about the psychology of money and wealth, subscribe to Think Rich. We simplify the stuff that schools never taught you.